Art is boundless. It is appreciated through the eyes and it touches your soul. Me being a foodie, my journey has been from the canvas to the kitchen. Let's take a sneak peek into my Bong kitchen for chukum chakum recipes and decode words like bhaja, shaka, poda, chechki, ghonto, dalna and mishti. Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee. Welcome to my Ranna Ghar. For fatafati Bangla recipes, keep watching Ananya's Ranna Ghar.